Hi, this is Sophia from the Kia shop. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the battery for a Kia Smart Key. So this is how you do it. It has a button here, so you just pull it out, the emergency key. You just pull out the emergency key, and with this flat like screwdriver, you just insert it here, like in the middle, right here in this part, and softly, gently, you just remove it, and you will open it, and then here's the battery. So you will just pull it out and put the new battery in it like that. Insert it back on, close it, and voila, new battery in the Smart Key Kia. Thank you.